like these little grooves because, and since I don't have that big of hands, it's like perfect for my hands. Like it fits perfectly. It feels nice. It's probably my favorite grip that I have, other than the Revenants, but that doesn't really count. So next up, we got the stock. It's pretty comfortable. It's just sometimes you're like this, pew, and yeah, it's sort of short, but I like the lock mechanism that Nerf came up with for it. So next up is the barrel. I'm gonna come up close to show you this, because if you look inside, you can sort of see inside there's these little grooves. That is supposed to make it spiral better, but I find that it doesn't even do anything. And so yeah, I sort of like this. I like the little flip up side. It's pretty cool. So anyway, next up is the clip. So the clip comes with the normal N-Strike Elite darts. It's a 12 dart clip. It has one clear side, one flat side. If you look right here, it has the Nerf Elite logo. Right there, it has 12. And flip it over to the other side. It says 12. You can see that. So, and you can just barely make out the one right here. So you can just barely make out the one right here and the two right here. You guys probably can't see that. Yeah. So finally, on to the part that you've all been waiting for. The gun. So since I like the little hole in the bottom, that's just to store an extra dart. It has it has the ambidextrous unload, because like if you're right-handed, prime it. I'll tell you how to unload it soon, but right-handed like that, lefty like that. It has the normal-ish thing for the stock. Well, the phone ring, I'll just let my brother answer that. It has, so I like how it's like that, and it has Nerf on this side, Nerf on this side, Retaliator on this side, Retaliator on this side. It has all the caution and stuff like that right there. It has that. I don't know what that's for. So it has the standard stock. So that, please not. There we go. So standard stock. Undo this. Pull it out. That's how you just undo the stock. And the cool thing about this, you can combine with any barrel, any stock, from any other gun that has one of these. And I like this because if you look right here, there's a big knot. There's a big sort of indent, or whatever you would call it. And then right here, there's a little one. And then if you look right here, there's a big groove. And if you look right here, there's a small groove. So right here is a little bump. And right here is a little hole. You just need to do big on big, twist, the bump and the hole will combine, and then you got a sturdy gun. Yeah, it's not like flimsy. The barrel doesn't wobble. Stuck on pretty good. I'm gonna see how much tack rails this has. It says 1, 2, 3. Phone again. Sorry about that. So one combination And this is probably my favorite because it doesn't have the barrel, so it'll shoot farther since it doesn't. So because the bullet doesn't rattle around in here like this. So, but that's what it is in the box. So first to load it, so you take this bar, slide it back until it clicks. This is the lock door, jam door, whatever you want to call it. And slide it forward, and then boom. So put that in, slide that forward, that on. Again, I'm sorry for the phone. So if I just quickly lift this around, it's just need to try and get it so that it angles by there. So first shot, you guys probably didn't see that. So second shot with the barrel. Dry fire, okay. Why would it dry fire? Come on, load. There we go. Okay, so and now that was with the barrel. That was 2 shots. You guys didn't see the first 2, but they landed both around the end. Like they both landed around my grit hockey bag. So now if I can, so take off the barrel. Sorry about this wobbliness. Now without the barrel. There we go. So dry fire. Come on. Okay, so all loaded up. Dry fire. Okay. Whoop. Okay, come on. Okay, so you guys saw it with the. Sorry that this is a long one, but so sorry about that. Just my gun is faulty right now. So hope you guys enjoyed this. This is the first Nerf gun review. And for many more to come. I hope you guys enjoyed. Wonder Boy signing off.